This week, we're going to be creating a patina with a copper background. Let's get to it. Hi, it's Dave. Today, we're going to create a copper patina, and I'm going to play some games with it, maybe some image transfers, and see what we come up with. So, let's get to it. Okay, I'm looking at this and I'm saying, okay, I like it. I like the depth of it. I could have used a little bit more, maybe another another layer or two, but this is a starting point. I may add some more layers to it. I certainly could stand to use put a couple more layers on it, but I'm not unhappy with this. This actually came out the way I was hoping it would. So you can see the shine, and without the shine, you just see the teal and the purple. But with the shine, it's pretty dramatic. So I want to thank you very much. You're going to see more of this because I've got another project that's coming up. That is a big project that I've been saving for a collage. So this is going to be part of that. So this has been Thursday Train. Up before me might have been Gert of Gert Creates. Up after me will be Johnny of Johnny Dark Creatorium. I'm going to get that name correct one of these days. And last will be Adrian Corey of Art's Really Cool. So I want you to stick around for them. And as always, if you haven't already done so, could you please hit the subscribe button and maybe give me a like, and always give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it, maybe if you don't. And if any comments help. Everything helps with the algorithm. And with that, I'm going to call this a stopping point for today. So thanks for being here. Bye for now.